Hi, I'm Scott Neubrecht, and welcome to Living the Fort Lauderdale Lifestyle. So if you love riding bikes, then Fort Lauderdale would be a great place for you to live. This is one of my favorite little bike paths right behind me here. This is a river walk along the New River in downtown Fort Lauderdale, and it spans from beginning to end, I believe, a mile or two, and it's a great place to see people and look at the beautiful water and the scenery. Join me while I go on my favorite bike ride around Fort Lauderdale downtown area. Let's get started. So if you watched my other videos, you'll know that I have a favorite park, and it's coming up. Looks like Tropical Storm Fred is dead, at least as far as Fort Lauderdale is concerned. It's overcast and cloudy, but it's not raining yet, and it's only in the 80s. If you've watched some of my other videos, you'll know this is one of my favorite drives on the Intercoastal in Fort Lauderdale because it's right on the Intercoastal and the big, beautiful homes. Okay, so I'm at the end of Las Olas Boulevard, and you guys who are familiar with Fort Lauderdale and Las Olas in the ocean, you know where I am, right? Where could I be? The world famous elbow room. Well, my friends, that little bike ride took just about a little over an hour, and I made it just in time because it is starting to drizzle. Are you liking this video? Then check out my video, Fun on Las Olas. Give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave comments. I love to hear from you. And as always, until next time, see ya.